DIY chicken tractor is done. This is a chicken tractor for my land hens. Done, done, done. Oh, I need to find a stick to hold this door up. Hold that up, son. Inside, oh, let me see that water. Right here will be the water. We change daily. That might be on the back tip, so we might have to fix that, but water be there. Trough is there for the feed. And after we feed them, so they won't be up on top of this, roosting and pooping all in it and all that. Just feed them, then come back maybe 10, 15 minutes later, whatever. Just take it out. Bam, then put it on top, leave it on top, whatever. And then so in the morning, bam, that's it. Put it in there, new feed. Oh, there's one, somebody had a question. I forgot her name. I'm sorry. I should have remembered that for this, just for this video. But these are the nesting boxes. Let me come a little closer. These are the nesting boxes for my land hens. I'm gonna put some hay in there, so they'll be enticed to go lay in there. This little ramp to get up here. There should be plenty for them to get in and out and walk on. I didn't see chickens walk on less, so that should be plenty. Oh, let me get my hand out the video. But yep, so that's the inside. So it's a bucket inside of a bucket. And this bucket moves on the inside. And so you don't have to get up in there reach all the way in. You just get your eggs from out here. Man, I'm sweating all over my phone. Just get your eggs out here. Just unlock that. Bam. Jeez. Yeah. Latch it back. Go to the next one. Pop it open. See if any eggs. Not. Latch it back. Check the last one. So this is where they'll lay, and I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put something in front of the nesting boxes in the evening. When we move them for the second time in the evening, put something in front of the nesting boxes so they can roost in them at night. Or just chilling there and poop all in them. So keep them clean. Try to keep them clean. But yeah, this is a DIY chicken tractor. Well, let's go and give them a demonstration of me pulling it too. One man job. I mean, if you got a ride mower, let me say that. All right, that's good. Bam. We're gonna do that twice a day. Come out and feed them, move them, feed them. Yeah, you forgot to bag up. That string is tight. So loosen that up, bam. That's all you gotta do. I'm gonna find something to hook it on to the back. I just didn't have nothing, so I just did it that way, just to see if it'll pull. But easily pulls with the small lawnmower. Didn't have to pull out the big boys. Cool. And this can easily be pulled with two people. Let's see. Let's show them that right there. That's good. Yeah. Easily be pulled with 2 people. Can't do this by yourself. This is a big one. It's not a small chicken tractor. So my son will stand on that side. Kind of give it right. He's 6 foot. So it's a pretty big chicken tractor. But easily pulled with the riding mower. So bam, that's it. That's our DIY project. DIY chicken tractor for my laying hens. Hey man, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Don't forget to share. Hey man, all that helps the channel grow, and it makes us want to make more videos. Because if we see people watching it, that's our. Hey, thanks for watching. Roller Reed Ranch.